What's the meaning of Captain Cook? Captain Cook. Captain Cook.
Captain Cook. Captain Cook. Captain Cook refers to the English explorer and navigator, James Cook, who is famous for his voyages to the Pacific Ocean. Cook is known for his mapping of previously uncharted territories, including Australia, New Zealand, and many other islands in the Pacific. His interactions with indigenous peoples and his observations of flora and fauna greatly contributed to the field of anthropology and natural history. Despite his achievements, Cook's legacy is also marked by controversy, as his expeditions were accompanied by violence and colonialism towards indigenous populations.